students, today we are going to learn EVS part 1, standard 4th, chapter number 19, My Delightful School. Students, here are some pictures. They are indicating the school activities. This is the laboratory, this is the library, this is the classroom, this is the drawing room, and this is the playground. Such kind of activities are going on in this picture, students. So, can you tell the above pictures show how children are learning happily? Which of these pictures did you like the most? Why did you like that picture the most, students? These activities, such kind of activities are going on in the school. Which activities did you like the most? Just to tell, students, and tell the reason behind it. You have to tell the reason why such kind of activity did you like most. We go to school to learn. We make many friends in school. We study with each other's help. We play together and share our tiffins. We take part in school functions and go on trips together. We come together to clean and decorate the classroom. There are so many things which we do together. It is great fun to do so. What can we do to make sure that every child in the class finds it is fun to learn? Students, we are going to school to learn. Learning is the motto. We are going to school for learning only. We make many friends in school. We study with each other's help. Means यहाँ पर देखो क्या बताया गया है. क्या हम स्कूल में जाने के बाद हम स्कूल में पढ़ने के लिए जाते हैं, हम वहाँ पे बहुत सारे दोस्त बनाते हैं, हम एक दूसरे की मदद करते हैं, साथ खेलते हैं, अपने टिफिन शेयर करते हैं, हम स्कूल फंक्शन में भी पार्ट लेते हैं, हम साथ में क्लासरूम क्लीन भी करते हैं, क्लासरूम को सजाते हुए जैसे कि हम चार्ट लगाते हैं. वी आर पुटिंग चार्ट्स ऑन द वॉल समटाइम्स व्हेन देयर आर फंक्शंस. देयर आर सो मेनी थिंग्स विच वी डू टुगेदर. इट इज़ ग्रेट फन टू डू. और हम ये सब कुछ करते हुए हमें बहुत मज़ा आता है. वी आर गेटिंग एंजॉय. What can we do to make sure that every child in the class find it is fun to learn? Students, अब देखो हमें देखना है कि हर बच्चों को इसमें कैसे मज़ा आता है. Okay? Do you know? I got a letter. This is the story of a school in Kolavali in Ratnagiri district. The teacher took his students to the post office to show them how the postal system works. Students, you know only post office, but you don't know how it works. What is the postal system of post office? You don't know. So, one teacher took all his students in the post office to show them their work. He explained its working to the students, but to give them a first-hand experience of how it works, he used a novel idea. He wrote a letter to every child telling them about their progress in studies, in sports, their interests and activities. अब देखो बच्चों, वो टीचर ने क्या किया कि सबको पोस्ट ऑफिस में लेकर गए और पोस्ट ऑफिस किस तरह से वर्क करता है दिखाने के लिए उन्होंने हर बच्चों को लेटर लिखा. He wrote a letter to every child. Telling them about their progress in studies. उन्होंने क्या बताया कि अब स्टडीज का प्रोग्रेस, स्पोर्ट्स and their interests and activities. The children were thrilled to see the letters. Children were frightened. वो घबरा गए लेटर देखने के लिए. They showed their letter to everyone saying, I got a letter. Everyone child was saying, I got a letter. Some even sent a reply to the letter. They sent greeting cards to the teacher at the time of Diwali. From them, some students send a reply to the teacher, means those who send letter to them. They sent greeting cards also. Some students sent greeting card to their teacher also. A few days later, a teacher taught the students how to send emails. First of all, he taught them how to send letter. After all, he taught them how to send emails. One letter sent by the teacher awakened a new enthusiasm in the students. Enthusiasm means excitement, great excitement. मतलब देखो कि बच्चों, टीचर ने जो उन्हें लेटर लिखना सिखाया उसी वजह से उनके अंदर वापस ईमेल कैसा करते हैं इस बारे में उनके अंदर उत्सुकता बढ़ी. The school became an enjoyable place for them. और इस तरह से स्कूल उनकी enjoyable place बनी, delightful place बनी. Try this. Here, try this students. Here are 3 pictures. Have a 3-legged race with the other students in your class. Why could some pairs reach the finish line without stumbling or falling? Why did some pairs fall while running? Just students, you observe the picture. देखो, हम पढ़ते हैं, आगे समझते हैं. If we help each other, we can succeed at anything. Means for the 3-legged race, we have to help each other. We have to understand each other. We have to help each other, students. Work becomes enjoyable. Work becomes enjoyable. In order to help one another, we must first understand our mutual needs and difficulties. अगर हमारा मदद अगर हम किसी को करना चाहते हैं तो सबसे पहले हमें उसकी म्यूचुअल नीड्स, उसकी ज़रूरियत क्या है, what he need, just you try to understand and find out the difficulties of such person. Do we try to understand the needs of our classroom? क्या हम अपने क्लासरूम की डिफ़िकल्टी को समझने की कोशिश करते हैं? क्लासमेट की जो भी डिफ़िकल्टी होती है उसको समझने की कोशिश करते हैं क्या? There may be a new student in class or a student who lives far away from their parents. There may be someone who speaks a different language at home. Some may have an older brother or sister to help them, and some may not. Because of this diversity, everyone has different needs. We must try to understand these needs. अब देखो बच्चों के स्कूल में कुछ बच्चे दूर से हम पढ़ने के लिए आते हैं, कुछ बच्चे अपने माँ बाप से दूर रहकर पढ़ते हैं. दे आर अवे फ्रॉम देयर पेरेंट्स. दे आर लिविंग एट अंकल्स हाउस और ऑन्ट्स हाउस और ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स हाउस. देयर मे बी सम हु स्पीक डिफरेंट लैंग्वेज. या फिर कोई ऐसा होता है कि जो घर पे डिफरेंट लैंग्वेज स्पीक करता है. सम में हैव ओल्डर ब्रदर और सिस्टर टू हेल्प देम. किसी के बड़े भाई बहन होते जो उन्हें मदद करते, या किसी को कोई नहीं होता. Because of this diversity, everyone has different needs. Because of this diversity, everyone has different needs. Diversity means विविधता. इस विविधताओं के कारण हर एक इंसान की ज़रूरत अलग है. We must try to understand this. First of all, we try to understand the needs according to the diversity, students. Okay? In school, we meet different kinds of students. There are a few people who cannot see and a few who cannot hear. A few cannot walk easily. The needs of students such as these are different and special. We can understand them only by getting to know them well. Students, some students are in different situations. Students, some students are not able to listen. Some students are not able to walk properly. Some students are having difficulty to see, to hear, to walk, to talk. So many difficulties they are facing. We can understand them only by getting to know them well. और हम जो ऐसे होते हैं चाइल्ड विथ स्पेशल नीड, जो चाइल्ड ऐसे स्पेशल नीड के होते हैं तो उन्हें हमें समझना चाहिए जिन्हें ये प्रॉब्लम्स है. आर देयर एनी चिल्ड्रन विथ सच स्पेशल नीड्स इन योर नेबरहुड? डू दे अटेंड स्कूल? When you were in the first standard, how many girls were there in your class? How many girls are there in your class now? यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन पूछे गए हैं कि चाइल्ड विथ स्पेशल नीड, जो ज़रूरतमंद है, जो बच्चे जो जिन्हें किसी के सहारे की ज़रूरत होती है उससे कहते हैं चाइल्ड विथ स्पेशल नीड. तो कितने हैं ऐसे? वो स्कूल अटेंड करते हैं क्या? फर्स्ट स्टैंडर्ड में आपके क्लास में कितनी लड़कियाँ आती हैं, आज कितनी लड़कियाँ हैं? एवरी चाइल्ड शुड गेट द जॉय ऑफ लर्निंग इन स्कूल. Every child should get the joy of learning in school. All children with special needs have the right to education. उनको भी अधिकार है, जो चाइल्ड विथ स्पेशल नीड जो होते हैं, जिन्हें खास ज़रूरत होती है ध्यान की, उन्हें भी अधिकार है पढ़ाई करने का. Many parents of children with special needs send their children to school with great determination. अब देखो बड़ी दिक्कत से, बड़ी मुश्किल से और बड़ी डिटर्मिनेशन मीन्स बड़ी लगन से पेरेंट्स अपने बच्चों को स्कूल में भेजते हैं. द गवर्नमेंट ऑल्सो हैज़ मेनी स्कीम्स फॉर देम. इफ़ यू नो एनी चिल्ड्रन विद स्पेशल नीड, डू टेल द टीचर्स एंड पेरेंट्स अबाउट दिस. they too will encourage the children to go to school. अगर इस तरह के जो चिल्ड्रन हैं इन्हें अगर ज़रूरत है तो आप इनके इन्फॉर्म कीजिए और उन्हें कहे कि उन्हें इनकरेज करें कि उन्हें स्कूल जाने के लिए. The government has also provided many facilities for the education of girls. Most parents try to make sure that the girls are educated. However, sometimes girls are expected to carry out household chores such as taking care of their siblings, drawing water from the well, etc., all by themselves. As a result, they lag behind in school or even leave it. A girl's education should not stop for this or for any other reason. Girls too have a right to the joy of learning. अब देखो बच्चों क्या होता है कि अभी गवर्नमेंट ने बहुत सारी फैसिलिटीज़ प्रोवाइड की है एजुकेशन के लिए, लेकिन हम देखते हैं कि किस जगह पे कुछ गर्ल्स पढ़ाई एजुकेशन ले रहे हैं जैसे कि आपके क्लास में या आप कर रहे हैं, लेकिन किस जगह पर लड़कियों को सिर्फ उनके छोटे भाई बहन सिबलिंग्स उनसे जो छोटे भाई बहन होते हैं उन्हें संभालने के रखा जाता है. ड्रॉइंग वाटर फ्रॉम द वेल, कुएं से पानी निकाल, जैसे कि विलेज सेटलमेंट्स जो होते हैं विलेज सेटलमेंट में यू कैन सी इन द विलेज सेटलमेंट्स दे आर नॉट अलाउिंग द गर्ल्स इन द ट्राइबल रीजन्स ऑल्सो दे आर नॉट अलाउिंग द गर्ल्स टू एजुकेट स्टूडेंट्स all by themselves. As a result, they lag behind in the school or even leave it because of household chores, means washing clothes, cleaning utensils, this way cooking. These are the works these girls are doing at home, this type of work, so that they are lagging behind in the school or even they leave the school also. The girls' education should not stop for this or for any other reason. Girls too have a right to the joy of learning. देखो गर्ल्स को भी अधिकार है पढ़ाई करने का बच्चों. Find out which language your classmates speak at home with their parents. Even if we learn in a common language at school, we all speak in our mother tongue at home. The mother tongue of some students may be Gujarati, some may speak Hindi at home, while others may speak Telugu or Kannada. Because of school, we get friends who speak different languages. Students, you can observe in the school, some students are speaking Marathi, some are speaking Hindi, some are speaking Gujarati, Kannada, Telugu, whatever languages are there. Students are speaking, these are the mother tongues of the students and they are speaking at home. In this way, you also come to know the different kind of languages because of your friends, this diversity. You are the part of the diversity, students. We all wear a uniform in school. However, on days when the uniform is not compulsory, the classroom becomes colorful. देखो जो बच्चों हम रोज़ यूनिफॉर्म पहनते हैं, लेकिन जब हमें कलर ड्रेस पहन के आना होता है, जैसे गर्ल चाइल्ड डे हो गया या कोई क्रिसमस सेलिब्रेशन हो या गैदरिंग हो, उस वक्त हम कलर ड्रेस पहनते हैं तो classroom becomes colorful. It is fun to attend the class where there is a lot of diversity. और ऐसी जगह पे हमें बहुत मज़ा आती है जिस जगह पे डाइवर्सिटी होती है, विविधता होती है. सम आर वेयरिंग ट्रेडिशनल ड्रेसेस, सम आर वेयरिंग वेस्टर्न ड्रेसेस, सम आर वेयरिंग formal dresses. Our customs, languages and eating habits may be different, but as human being we are all alike. देखो कि हमारे खाने पीने की आदतें, हमारे कस्टम जो हमारा धर्म है, चाली रीति है, लैंग्वेज है, हमारे खाने पीने की आदतें अगर अलग भी है तो हम सब इंसान एक है, हम एक जैसे ही दिखते हैं. When we respect this diversity and help each other, we enjoy being in school. School becomes delightful. और अगर हम इस डाइवर्सिटी को एक्सेप्ट कर लेते हैं तो हम भी स्कूल में बहुत खुशी रहेंगे और खुशियाँ मनाएंगे. We will not miss home. We will enjoy in the school, students, because we are going to learn different kind of languages also. We are getting different kind of friends also, their customs, eating habits. We are learning in the school, students. We are getting to know different kind of customs and traditions also. Pintu and Pinky have both got admission into kindergarten. Every day when the school bus comes to take them in school, they cry and cry. How will you explain to them why they must go to school? Students, this is the bus and these are Pinky and Pintu. They are crying a lot because they don't like to go to school, then how can you do for them to make them happy to go and attend the class? आप उन्हें स्कूल में जाने के लिए किस तरह से मनाओगे जबकि वो बच्चे रो रहे हैं? तो हम इस लेसन में क्या पढ़े हैं, चलो पढ़ते हैं. What we have learnt, we get many different things, friends in school. In school we come to know about the diversity in our country. Every child must get the joy of learning in school. All the children, including those with special needs, have the right to education. Child with special need have right to get education. When we offer and seek help, learning becomes more enjoyable. When we are helping each other, then our learning becomes more enjoyable, students. And we can also come to know about the diversity in our country. Which type of diversity? Different customs, system, different traditions, different languages, different eating habits. This type of diversity you can understand in the school, students. We get many different friends in school. Different type of friends you can see in your school, you can meet in your school, students. So lesson is very easy, students. Complete the exercise. Write the question and answers in your notebook. Okay, I hope you understood, students. Lesson is very easy. Okay, bye bye.